Hello and welcome. Today I'll show you how to download and install BandLab on your PC. First, open your browser and go to the official BandLab website at bandlab.com. BandLab is a free online digital audio workstation for music creation, mixing, and collaboration, and it works directly in your browser. There isn't a traditional desktop installer for Windows, but you can still install BandLab as a web app. Just open it in Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, click the browser menu, and select Install BandLab or Create Shortcut. This lets you launch BandLab like a native PC app straight from your desktop. Once installed or opened, sign in with your BandLab account or create one for free. From there, you can start a new project and begin recording or editing tracks. If you prefer a full desktop-like setup, you can also run BandLab's Android version on your PC using an emulator like BlueStacks, available at bluestacks.com. But this method requires you to have strong hardware and takes some time to set up. And that's it. You're ready to make music with BandLab on your PC. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.